How to tell if the reverse lights work in your Volkswagen Polo 9N or any car, actually any car that has old technology that doesn't show in the dashboard when a light bulb is not working. This is valid for any older car that doesn't have some intelligent systems that will show you on the dashboard which lamp is not working. So this is a simple car. If the lamp is not working, I wouldn't know, and I will show you right now. It's not very difficult. All you need is you need to have a relatively dark wall around you, because the light from the reverse is white. So on a white wall you might not be able to see a gray, dark gray, brown. Here I'm at the mall and you see the back there. I just parked here. This is the mall parking, and I'll get a bit closer to the wall to show you better. Car starts pretty nicely. Okay, I'll put the phone down here so I don't do anything crazy. Okay, I go closer to the wall. Okay, now I'm really close to the wall. I see myself in the mirror there. So if you see now, I press the clutch. I'll put some light. I press the clutch. I press the clutch all the time. I press the clutch all the time, so I'm safe. The car wouldn't move. The important is not to let go of the clutch so the car doesn't move. And I put it in reverse. When I put it in reverse, you will see at the back there is some light. You see it? I will try to show you better. Okay, so now it's reversed, and what's important, you look those pipes, there should be a white light on both sides of the car, but it's only on one side. And if I turn off the stop lights, I press on the brake lights, you see they both have both sides. Like this you can also check, you can check the brake lights. These are the brake lights now, and the position lights for the car. So position lights off. I could check the hazard lights, turn light indicator, left, right. Really, yeah, it's very simple. Just find the dark wall. Actually, for the other ones you don't need a dark wall, any wall will work. But for the reverse light you need a dark wall. So I see now it's only on one side. I keep pressing on the clutch. I don't let go of the clutch, and you see in those pipes there is blinking only on one side. If I press the brakes, it's two lights there. I will go even closer now. Okay, so this is the pipe. You see the reflection of the car behind, two brake lights. Then the position light, it's two lines, meaning it's from both sides of the car, but the reverse light is only one. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be two or it's normal to be only one, but there are two light bulbs there. Yeah, I let go of the clutch. Okay, now I let go of the clutch, and Yeah, this is how you check it. Press the clutch and you see there is only one side, only one line, and position lights, brake lights, position lights, brake lights, hazard lights. You can see in the pipe there the hazard lights. You see two lines for that also. There is two lines for the hazard lights, two lines for the brake lights, and two lines for the position lights, but only one reverse light. There is only one reverse light. Okay, now the clutch is disengaged. I can stop the car. So this is how you check it. I will have to check the bulb. I actually checked it before, and it seems maybe it's not. It might look like it continues, but if you flick it a little bit with your thumb, flick it a little bit, if it vibrates too much, that spring, it means somewhere there is disconnection, and you wouldn't know. So I'll try to replace it with a compatible one, or kind of compatible. Let's see. Okay, I changed the light. Okay, I changed the light, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, I changed the light, and let's see if it works. We go against the wall. As usual, we go against the wall. See the reflection of the car. Yeah, now both are working. See both sides. Both sides are working now. I turn off the positions. You see clearly the reflection there. It's both sides white. Now reverse on. Reverse is on. Off. Reverse is on. This was how to check. This was how to check the rear reverse lights on your car, and actually all the cars. And actually, not only the reverse lights, but all the lights, you can check them like this against the wall. And actually I had that reverse light not working for some time, I think, but that's why you have two. And now the bulb is not the official bulb, it's one of the stoplights bulbs, but I removed that small tab because it was higher, it won't let it fit. And it's the same wattage plus 5 watts. It should be 21 watts, but this one is double, 21 plus 5. This one is double, 21 plus 5, and it should be only 21 watts. It's a bit more powerful, but it fits. So okay, I had this one. It was easy to replace. Thanks for watching.